Now that we're finally arriving at a kind of a greater look at all the WAN technologies, this little diagram may help. So we have already talked about, now here's the WAN in general, we've already talked about these leased lines that the phone companies put in for various large companies to get across town, if you will, just not, in other words, fairly short distances, or to the telephone company, for example, where they could switch to other technologies. And these were called the T or E lines. In Europe, they were the E lines. In the United States, they were the T lines. These are the leased lines. And then we introduced switching, and we said we had circuit switching and packet switching. Circuit switching has the plain old telephone system, or the public switch telephone network, and something called ISDN that we're going to look at in a moment. Packet switching has such things as frame relay, X25, and ATM. And then today we also use the internet, and the internet actually, this is kind of difficult to put together because DSL was actually kind of a circuit switch system, but it allowed access to the internet, and so we might put it under the category of internet access in order to get to across the WAN. So we have, these are the basic three ways that we can cross the world or a large area. Actually, dedicated didn't go that far, but switched systems were the early systems, and then the internet is what we use today. And these are basically in order: dedicated links, and then switch systems, and then finally the internet systems. So next we're going to look at data by phone, in which case, by the way, PSTN is the phone network, and we're going to take a look at ISDN, and then we'll also remind ourselves a little bit about DSL in the next video.